Youth Rural Entrepreneur Foundation is a vision, work in every hand, money in every pocket. Unemployment is the biggest problem of the youths living in the villages of India. If we take a deep look at unemployment, then most of the people living with the unemployment are from the rural area. The youths of the rural are not having the different way of employment, tricks and method of the earning. In the coming time, the country, this problem will be take a more serious from which is a necessary to reign. Prime Minister's dream, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, is possible only when we take every classes together, for which the Youth Rural Entrepreneur Foundation is committed. The Center for Excellence proposed by us is an opportunity for the youths, farmer and the unemployed people to do integrated farming and animal husbandry in modern way, to get opportunity of the self-employment to the employed in their own village and in their own state, demand-based skill training by educate them skilled workers from their state for various jobs through different way and prepare them to provide different employment. The youth will get employed through self-dependent. Through the organization, now youth will not be unemployed. We will fix the job for youths, and after that we will giving training for the same. We will guarantee the job first and then train them. We have also started some specialized skill training through that Rural Entrepreneur Foundation will train people according to the specialty of the district. In every district there are people with some special skill. We will recognize them and train the youth about the same skill so that they can get local employment easily. To fulfill the Prime Minister's Employment Guarantee Scheme, we will do skill training, that is to improve the skill of youth, talent, training, teaching, so that every person of India can stay happy in their own lives, for whom Youth Rural Entrepreneur Foundation is committed. Low land, low cost, more crop, more profit. Farming and animal husbandry will be updated through data science and technology. By essential education, primary facility like seed, manure, financial facility, skill management and guidance to the farmers will be provided in the local language. Through integrated farming, farmers will get an opportunity to increase their annual income 3 to 4-fold yearly. We invite youth, let's move to the village, grow in the village and grow the village. India agriculture is incomplete without animal husbandry. Our aim is to make farmer aware to the latest animal husbandry technology. The youth will be explained and trained that how animal husbandry, fish farming can be done with latest technology, so that it can be easier, become less resourceful and more profitable. This include recycling based fishery, free range poultry, good breed cow and buffalo, free range goat rearing. Our plan is that if animal husbandry can done with farming, the profit increase manifold. This means if a farmer has 1 acre of land, he should forage 20% of the land, such as moringa or napier grasses. Napier grasses contain a high yield of protein. By feeding it, the milk of animal and the weight of the bird increase very fastly. Farmers should produce seasonal fruits, vegetable and grain on 20% of their land. Plant poultry house in 20% of land, rearing fish at 20% of land, and remaining 20% should be reared on the ground. This is animal husbandry in new way. Farmers will be benefited from farming as well as animal husbandry. Self-work and self-respect. Today, the youth of India wants to have their own employment, but no one is available to show the right path. The Youth Rural Entrepreneur Foundation, Mera Rozgar scheme means My Employment scheme, aim to make youth self-reliant and by giving them employment. The foundation's plan in Mera Rozgar is to be a guide to the youth, teach them and help them for reaching towards the right destination. We also take care of the likes, dislike and belief of every person. If a man cannot work with chicken, cannot work with fish, don't want to do farming, then we are also having the best solution for that. The Center for Excellence guarantee employments in the every village town. People have to buy goods. This is the need of human life. At the village town interaction, he has to drink tea, take vegetables, haircuts, shaving, buy clothes, laundry. Every each and households are required. Right now, the market of the village take advantage of the economy of the village. Our foundation's plan is that if the economy of the village stay in the village, then the village can also become progressive. In the Mera Rozgar scheme, we are focusing on the smart street vendor, where a bicycle, shop on wheel, mobile cart on wheel, we provide and move shop in the entire facility for the installation at a very cheap price. We will link the scheme with the government so that the youth can get financial easily, and with our help can get mobile cart also. Now the youth can put a bicycle or a rickshaw cart anywhere, such as a barber shop on a bicycle, a tea shop on a bicycle, a cloth shop on a bicycle, tea snack shops in the cart. Roaming on a rickshaw, they can sell vegetable. Let's move young entrepreneur from entrepreneurship to the rise of life. Hand-holding support, we are the first in the country to use data science in the agriculture, because we believe that you can't cultivate well without data. There is so much detailing in the data science. By that, we farmer can know which plant is health weak in his own acre of field. In data science, we can talk about each plant. The farmer will get a data from the satellite on a per square meter. What is the position of the plant? The system of the data science will tell what is the lacking in the plant. The concept of the foundation is from field to grow, aggregate, segregate, pack, pick, shape to the fork. It means that from growing to the kitchen, all the production should go to the market with the value addition from the e-commerce platform. www.foruse.com has been created in the mobile-based computer applications, selling services provider, scientific and economic activity will be available. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.